Hello, let us now see how we use the brush tools. First, we will duplicate the layer by right-clicking and selecting the duplicate layer. We will call it brush and click OK. On the toolbar, we select the brush tool, and the options for setting up the tool appear. We then click on the drop-down menu and adjust the size of the brush. The hardness is the brush strength, and we will put it at 100%. With the left mouse button, we pull the bar and move it to 100%. See how bright it is? This is because the soft light mode is selected for us. We click on Options, and in the drop-down menu, select Normal. Next, we will set the opacity to 100%. See what the application of the tool looks like now. Opacity and mod, we will leave the same, and we will reduce the hardness of the brush. Look at the change of the brush, that is, its edges. Now we will choose the pencil tool. We also hold the click and move it. We will now increase the size. We can also adjust the mode, opacity. In addition to changing the size, we can also adjust the hardness of the pen. You choose the color of the tool in the background and foreground option on the toolbar. We choose the blue below. It remains the same. We then turn to the front and change the color of the tool. We will cancel the steps to see it better in the history palette. We will then pick a selection this time around. Next, we will choose the brush option and the color to paint. As you can see, the option applies to only the selected section. That is all for this video.